much of your time. I know you're trying to get your video game grind on, and that's fine. Give me a second to empty my face before I hit the road again to go and win that paper chase. I've been watching you and I'm proud of you, man. You're growing up to be the best man that you possibly can. I know you understand why I go out of town. I also know my days are colder when you're not around. Sometimes I wonder what it's like to be adapted to the fact that daddy never lived inside the same shack. Sometimes I get that pain in my stomach's pit. It's what I get. I'm convinced that's my punishment. But those nights I got drunk and let go in some bar down in Dallas with these people I don't even know. For all the times that the lines on your face reminded me of the days before the dragonflies escaped. It trips me out how you pick up all my traits, from the way that you spit to the fists that you make. I watch the way you try to keep your mama happy. Daddy learned that from you. You're supposed to learn that from daddy. I can't teach much when it comes to women. I drive safe and slow but don't know nothing about the engine. You're doing good, little man. That's all I really meant. I love you. You're my best friend. Thanks for listening. I love you, Dallas, Fort Worth, Denton. Thanks for listening. Dear Craig, what up, Bones? How we go? Me, oh, you know, same old. Sorry that the phone calls weren't too routine. I was running around the world trying to do my thing. Sometimes the weeks flew a little too fast. Sometimes I went to sleep a little too trashed. Other times I wasn't sitting on enough cash. And other times today was too much like the past. Sometimes at night we'd watch y'all fight. Kids wondering why your life just ain't alright. What's the violence about? It wasn't in this house, cause even the memories are turned up too loud. I got some issues in my head, knew we should've started fixing them back when she left you. I'm not trying to get you down, I know you're different now, but your little man just wants you to listen now. We getting old, can't maintain relation. Everybody wants your soul, and I just ain't got the patience. I can't trust them, and they're not much help. Once they start to push or pull the buttons, I don't trust myself. What pride, fists, or words might do. Afraid of my fate, don't wanna turn out like you. I'll never hit a woman, I won't do coke, and for that alone I love you and I wanna thank you, old man. For that alone, I love you and I wanna thank you, Texas.